everyone, welcome back. It's me Kirti. Today we are going to make some DIY wall plates using the Decoupage papers by CrafTangles. All the materials used in this video are sponsored by CrafTangles. I have these melanin plates which I'm going to convert into these magnificent wall plates. With the help of mixed media gesso, we are going to provide a primer surface for our plates, and this is also going to act as hiding agent for the boring design that is there on these plates. Melanin surface is also kind of glass surface. If you remember previously, for a glass surface we need to prime the surface as it is non-sticky. Primer provides a proper surface for decoupage. In total, I have applied 3 layers of mixed media gesso onto my plate, and before proceeding to next layer, I always made sure that the previous layer has dried very well. After these 3 layers of gesso drying well, I went ahead with next coat of chalk paint Snow White onto my plates. And after this layer, I was very much satisfied with the base of my plates being absolutely ready for decoupage. Now, while this layer of chalk paint is drying, I would like to show you this paper collection named Macaroons Specialty Decoupage Papers by CrafTangles. I decided to go ahead with this design. So now my target is to cut the sheet so that it can accommodate within the center crate of my plate. So instead of placing the paper inside the plate, I went ahead with drawing the outline from the bottom, making sure that I don't ruin the page with pencil marks. After this, I will use the decoupage glue to stick the paper in place. Cut the shape and paste it with the help of CrafTangles decoupage glue. Using the ample quantity of glue and then making sure to remove the bubbles with the help of my method of using plastic sheet and removing the bubbles with paper napkin. Next target is to match the background to the shades of paper in original. So I'm going to use ivory lace and for the upper, and I'm going to use sponge topper for I find playing with colors very satisfying, and now for the bottom part, I'm going to use mint to be and cool jade colors, and following the same method of smudging and mixing with the help of sponge topper. For the remaining two plates also, I have used CrafTangles chalk paints in the mix and match combination. One of which I hand calligraphed and the other one I used stencil with texture paste. And I always like the golden lining to my decoupage creations. So I'm going to outline these plates with when all the paints colors dry. The last step was to dazzle our creation with the help of gold and dab some gold foil onto the decoupage. Oh, and very well, don't forget, the last and final step would always be varnishing your creations with the help of crafting. And that's exactly how my magnificent wall plates have turned out to be. I hope you liked them. If you did, don't forget to leave me some love in the comments. And if you like, do share this video and save it for your future reference. Also, you can find me on Facebook and Instagram under the name Kirti's Craft Castle, and on my own YouTube channel you can enjoy all the creations by me with the tutorials. And so that's me, Kirti, signing off. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, see you. Bye bye.